How to fix initializing problem on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and let us get started. If you are facing the initializing problem in your WhatsApp application, then here is what you can do to fix it. First thing first, let's go ahead and open your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Even though you have just installed WhatsApp, you have to check for any updates here. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings, scroll below until you see the option of apps, open your apps, then again search for WhatsApp. Tap onto it. Under usage, you will see storage. Tap onto it, then clear the cache. Then come back. Here tap on force stop, then tap on OK. And under permissions, make sure that you have allowed all the necessary permissions that this application needs, like camera, location, microphone, and photos and videos. Once you do so, see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then reinstall the application after uninstalling it, and that shall definitely work. Thank you for watching, guys. We will catch you up in our next upload.